My name is Marshawn Harris, and I am a certified insurance agent with Covered California. Covered California has been a game changer for me as an insurance agent and me as a consumer also. Making sure that, people like myself with pre-existing conditions are able to get insurance at a reasonable price. We're not usually concerned about, making sure your tax returns or what your income is. We want to make sure you have the right policy, but this is a little bit different take on insurance. One of my, all-time favorite success story is a lady by the name of Maureen. She walked in the office and was in between jobs, but she was receiving unemployment, so that means she doesn't qualify for Medi-Cal. She was very much unsure whether or not she could even pay for the insurance, let alone get it, because she was expecting to have to answer health questions. Well, the first thing I did was put her at ease about the fact that there is no health questions to really answer. The only question we really need to answer is, what's your income? And she was able to give that information to me. And afterwards, not only was she very happy with the plan she was able to receive, she gave me a hug and then came back and brought me cookies. So that's one of those really, not only a success story, but for as an insurance agent, that's rare. That doesn't happen with auto insurance. Instead of dropping by the clinic in times of emergency or going to the emergency room, they are now able to get free preventive service, do a physical, a well woman exam. All of those things are ways to make sure that we actually have more preventive care. That's a big game changer in terms of health care. It's also a big change in terms of cost. People can now actually go to the doctor either for free or pay a reasonable copay and actually see a doctor before it becomes a major illness. As a young person, obviously we are willing to sometimes take more risk. However, this is a risk you probably do not want to take. If you go skiing or you want to do, skateboarding or something like that, I want you to have fun, but if something happens, I want you to have coverage, and I don't want you to have to worry about bills that can accumulate into the $50,000, $60,000, $100,000 area. The four categories that you will hear about the most, the four categories of insurance, is bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. A bronze plan has a higher deductible, yet it does offer you coverage. So at the end of the day, you need to actually feel like you're pretty healthy, but you want to have health insurance just in case for the accidents and what ifs. The silver plan, which is the plan that most individuals in the state of California are in, is a good mix of price and coverage. The gold and the platinum plans are higher in price. They do not have deductibles. Therefore, the people who usually choose those plans are looking at the fact that maybe they're going to use their plan a little bit more. But really, it's about the consumer choosing a plan that fits their healthcare need, but also fits their pocketbook. Covered California has come up with many different ways to reach and educate you about what's available to you. Our navigators, there's over-the-phone assistance, and then there's certified insurance agents like myself who are more than willing to sit down with you and go over the details. The only way you can receive financial assistance is basically going through Covered California. If you go direct to the carrier, they will be able to offer you insurance, but they will not be able to offer it to you with a discounted price. It's very easy to enroll. All you have to do is bring in your proof of California residency, which would be usually your ID, your proof of income, and anything else I will let you know. What that means is you have the opportunity to choose not only a healthy lifestyle, but to make sure that you will be able to say, I can go to the doctor without a worry.